Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable Disqus age verification. So first thing you have to do, you have to open up the Disqus app. So once you open that up, you look below your screen at the bottom right of your screen. You click on where it says you and you click above. You see the gear icon, click on that. That is the settings. So this is actually settings. So you have to look for social content and social. So you click on that, and once you click on that, you go to where it says enable age restricted commands. So it's actually off now, so all you need to do is turn that on, and once you turn that on, any age restrictions will be avoided, and it's going to allow you access commands marked as age restricted in DM. So after doing this, you have to go close up the app. So once you close up the app, you start it up again and it's going to work perfectly for you. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get my tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.